Good morning. Good morning on this very lovely day in the town of Burnley. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also press the subscribe button. So today I'm going to just do a short walk around the streets of Burnley. It's early morning, the streets are not busy, and there's hardly anybody around except for me. So what I'm going to do this morning is it's going to be a mixture of everything really, because I need to go to the barbers. As you can see, my hair is slightly irritating, so I need to just have somebody to tidy it up. So this video, because the weather conditions are perfect to fly a drone, so we're gonna fly a drone and let's get the amazing views of this area that I'm in now, which is I'm in Stoneyholme, juke bar area. So yes, come with me and let's enjoy this walk. We're walking over the Liverpool-Leeds Canal. Yesterday it was raining a lot the whole day, but today look at it, it's clear blue skies. You wouldn't think it was lashing it down yesterday, but today is a very lovely day. So I'm just gonna go to my favorite spot where I'll fly the drone, then we'll take a nice walk along the streets of Chupa on Colne Road. If you're from Burnley, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which part of the world you're watching this video from, and drop a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe, because by subscribing you're supporting this channel to keep going, where I will get a little bit of revenue to keep doing what I do. You see where I am is another way of me get on the other side. No, do I need to jump here? Some bones there. But anyway, we're on the Leeds-Liverpool Canal, and this stretches all the way from Leeds to Liverpool. If I'm not mistaken, it's 100 miles, so it's about 160 kilometers. And these canals in the olden days were used to move goods from within these small towns. Burnley, you can see there's like a kind of like a platform over there, so that's where the boats used to anchor, and there was some remnants of some factories around here. So really this was made mainly for transporting goods around from Liverpool to Leeds. And you can see there says Liverpool 75 76 miles to Liverpool from that point there. So this is just the old part of the factory. If you live in Burnley, just let me know what this factory used to be. Just be some pieces of it left at the moment. How do I get through here? That need to be on that other side where I can fly the drone. There's no wind, so the conditions are perfect for flying the drone. If you enjoy this type of content, please just look through my video playlist on this channel. I'm sure you'll find something that you'll love to watch, because this channel covers everything from drones to driving videos where we capture images while we're on the road, the walking tours, history. We cover everything. We're not just limited to a particular. Wow, there's a drone here. Let's see, let's see the report. Getting our shoes dirty. We'll pick a nice spot and then we'll fly the drone. So I'll catch you when we fly down.